First, I I wasn't recording.
What's it, bro?
Yeah, go to the first slide and start. Yeah, start.
Hello.
Yeah, you can start.
Yeah. I'm gonna speak about natural language processing. I'm Kathir from CSEA. Mm, Now we are going to see about what is natural language processing and the history. What are the methods and the examples in the process, applications, and advantages and disadvantages. Introduction. Natural language processing is a subfield of linguistics, computer science, artificial intelligence. These three fields combine together for the interaction between the computers and human language. This is actually that it was formulated to build a software that generates and comprehends natural languages so that user can have natural conversations with computer instead of this Java or C++. Natural language processing strives to build machines that understand and respond to text or voice data. It's like a kind of Alexa and Google Assistant things, uh, the text to speech. When we see about the history of natural language processing, Alan Turing was the one who started this about the machine and the intelligence. Then he had attempts to automate the translation between Russian and English. Then comes the Chomsky and other formal language. Um, like that, we now have a large amount of spoken and textual data become available now. Uh, Now, when we see about the methods used for natural language processing, um, it is used as a machine learning and statistical inference is being used here. Well, we'll see about it clearly here with a basic example. Uh, Hello? Okay. As it is a simple example. Man is to woman, as king is to what? Obviously, it is the answer is queen. But to make the machine know it, we will have to input the machine with enough data, like this Her Majesty, the Queen, the Elizabeth, so that the machine can know that a queen means a female in a royal thing. Here, as it learns from the multiple data sets, it uses machine learning, example the deep learning algorithms, and the machine formulates a word vector which is being built with this around these words. The process. We input a sentence and the machine divides the sentence into small lexical units with the paragraphs, sentences, words, things. Then these words are being checked for the grammar. The sentence such as the school goes to boy is rejected, so it just autocorrects itself, which we use. The applications will see it now. Then comes the semantic analysis. It draws the exact meaning or the dictionary meaning from the text so that it is meaningful. Then comes the pragmatic analysis. During this, what was said is reinterpreted on what it actually means. So we use complex things. We talk about serious things in a sarcastic way. So those can also be made understood by the machine. Now we'll see about the applications. The speech to text is the most widely used now. This is being implemented everywhere. We use it in the Microsoft Word. They are in each and every electronic devices recently. Even the ACs, etc., are being implemented. Here I have given things about the same. Information retrieval and web searches. Google, Yahoo, Bing, and other search engines base their machine translation technology on natural language processing, deep learning models. It allows algorithms to read text on a web page interpret its meaning and translate it to another language. Literally, the Google Translate, the grammar corrections. This is being widely used by word processor softwares like Microsoft Words everywhere. When Google keyboard just autocorrects things which we type wrong. The question answering again. Type in keywords. So when we search, it just takes the keywords about things and searches. The summarization. So what the whole paragraph tells, and that's what the text summarization. Then about the machine translation. Use of computer applications to translate text or speech from one natural language to another. The same Google Translate again. When we see about the advantages of natural language processing, users can ask questions about any subject and get a direct response within seconds. That's what about the Alexa and Google Assistants things. We get responses immediately. It just takes the words as our language English itself, and it just uses the and gives the response as we need. The natural language processing system provides answers to the questions in natural language itself, offers exact answers to the question. No unnecessary or unwanted information is being displayed. Um, Next, the accuracy of the answers increases with the amount of relevant information provided in the question. So when we give a detailed question, it just the accuracy increases. That's what it says. The NLP process helps computers communicate with humans in their language and scales other language-related tasks. Yeah, allows you to perform more language-based data compares to human being without any unbiased or inconsistent way. Structuring a highly unstructured data source. I'm sorry about that. Disadvantages. The system may not be able to provide the correct answer if the question that is poorly worded, or if it is ambiguous. We don't get the exact thing when we voice search. So we may use some a local thing which we use it in spoken but not in the written, so it may be ambiguous and it may not result. So these are some disadvantages. The system is built for a single and specific task only, so it's unable to adapt to new domains and problems because of its limited functions. NLP system doesn't have a user interface, which lacks features that allow users to further interact with the system. Okay. Thank you. That's what natural language processing means. Now Abhinandan and things will go on. Thank you.